Hello everybody, and we have reached our 600th video today. I'm Lalia from Sanskriti Kolkata, and I'm so grateful and immensely excited to showcase our products of our 600th video today. Thank you for all your support, your affection, your well wishes. It means a lot from my heart, and I'll start with the first one, which is a very soft art silk with hand embroidered katha. Today's sari, a little different type of saris I'll show you. Medium range products for gifting as well as for personal use. Handwork in semi-tussar, totally handwork katha. The yoke part will be in multiple colored katha, and then it will go around till the pleats. I'll just show you the blouse and then I'll show you how it will drape. This is the first sari and this is the blouse piece of the product. Handwork katha in the blouse, full work katha. This is the sari. See, it will have a nice fall, and the yoke part will have katha, which will start from the yoke, and in a leher form it will end in the pleat. It will give a very beautiful, pretty look to the sari. This is the one. And I was talking about the pleat work. Here goes the pleat work katha. Sari number 1. Color combination in this is the red one. This pattern is slightly different. Here is the blouse piece. The pleats. Very pretty, simple design, but on draping it gives a very nice, look, because the work will be in the part where it's most highlighted, like the yoke part, the pleat part, the pallu part. So it is a very nice, attractive color as well, and totally handwork in a very soft semi-tussar, very soft sari. It has a nice sheen also, very pretty sari. The other one, I'll show you a handloom cotton. With kutch work. Cotton with kutch work, pure cotton, woven border. The border is very beautifully woven. With handwork, kutch work. I have worn a red in this also before. The base was red. This is a white base with red and black work. Handwork comes with this blouse piece. Today's episode will be on exclusively handwork based saris basically. Mostly I'll show handwork saris. This comes with little bit of mirror work also. The next one is the red part of the similar sari. The border is different. Very nice. This is kind of chettinad cotton look, but it's from South. The fabric is from South. Very pretty fabric, very pretty work. Pure cotton. Comes with this blouse piece. All over the work will be same, and just see the border pattern, the white weave in the border, and the body comes with work. The body itself has a check pattern weaving. This is cotton tussar, pure tussar with cotton hand weave, dual tone with katha. One of our hot selling item, bird katha Macau. 2-3 months later, only one sari I received from the embroider, and that also sells out immediately. Very, very pretty sari, and it's pure cotton tussar, and it's the dual tone of slate. Now this is a patchwork sari in Bengal cotton, kalamkari applique, pure cotton kalamkari applique. So this is the pattern of the sari. This is the blouse piece. Simple sari, patchwork concept, zari check body, pallu. Number 6, for booking, by now you know you have to take the screenshot and WhatsApp only. 7603042696 is the booking number. First come, first serve basis. After you make the payment, your booking will be confirmed. Send the payment details after payment, and immediately send your name, address, telephone number, PIN code, where it needs to be shipped. If you are picking up from the store, then you don't need to pay the shipping charges. This is a pure tissue linen with a woven zari border and handwork buta. Blouse piece comes with the booty. Big width, color is a dual tone, gold and olive dual tone. Very, very pretty sari. Number 7, handwork. Summer party wear के लिए बहुत ही खूबसूरत ये option है. And everybody loves linen. Color option of this gorgeous sari is this peach color. Such a fresh, beautiful color. Here is the blouse piece. #600 episode today in our YouTube. So please subscribe to our channel. You will be receiving the notification for the next videos. Every week we come up with 3-4 videos of fresh collection, and all are different from each other. The Facebook live is done from our Facebook page Sanskriti Kolkata, and the Insta Reels in Sanskriti Kolkata Instagram page. Now this is totally new that I'll be showing today. Even I'm wearing a similar kind of a very soft silk sari. Now let me tell you, these are super soft. We've done block printing in this. The zari border is like the Mysore crepes, and this comes in a work buta. Very exclusive handwork butas. Many color options I'll show you, many pattern styles. These are very, very pretty soft silk sarees in semi crepes. Very gorgeous, and it's the best part of this is it's super soft. This is the blouse piece. Now see the fall, even I'm wearing one. The fall is so good. Nobody will see and say it's a semi crepe saree. It's so pretty. It has a gorgeous fall with handwork. This fusion is very, very pretty. Many color options I'll show you. This is first time I'm showing you in this kind of material. It's very pretty, newly launched. Today in our 600th episode, I'm launching this new fabric in new pattern with tassels, katha, handwork, and as I said, it's super, super soft saree. Beautiful piece. And even the price we've kept as minimum as possible because these are all handwork sarees and an amazing prints and look is also very pretty. See the fall, the flow of the saree. Little bit of sequins for highlighting. And here is the blouse piece. The blouse piece is in chignon. So pretty, so pretty. Very smart prints I've done. You know, you just watch and see the video. This is the blouse piece and very, very smart prints you will see. Number 10. Number 10, the red color. The black one of the navy and red that I showed, it's so pretty. See, all the colors are very, very pretty. The prints may slightly differ. Variety of prints I've done. This number 116500. I've kept a minimum flat range of 6500 with the blouse piece. See the blouse piece work. There's a lot of work in the blouse piece. The sleeves, the back. Full काम है इसमें. Border zari का है. Very soft crepe, soft silk. These are actually called soft silk and these are from Coimbatore. And but the look is totally like the crepe Banarasis, you know, very pretty look. You can say semi crepes also, very pretty. Now look at this. Ganga Jamuna border, superb saree in white. And this is how the pallu work will go. Handwork sarees, anything handcrafted is pure love. We love handcrafted sarees, we love pure fabrics, we love the look of the product, and especially when this kind of a beautiful fabric that comes in a budget friendly range, even though it's handwork, fir kya baat. Beautiful saree. See, this is the blouse piece. So it has a double blouse. So this is the zari blouse is with the saree. Additionally, we've given this blouse piece. Ganga Jamuna border in white, black and red. See the fall, the feel, the look of the saree with all over buttas. बहुत सुंदर समर के लिए एकदम very, very pretty. 7600 depending on the work and pattern, double blouse. See the zari backside. This is the weave of the sari. Zari weave का backside का weave है. This is the front side weave. बहुत sober, बहुत खूबसूरत साड़ी है. Another smarty. Lower border comes with a full line of handwork with this achol, katha. Number 13. If you want to visit our store and see these products, you can take the address 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, which is near the Citizen Park. The other branch, 12 Jamir Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, near the Baliganj railway station. Bridal collection and party wear collection mostly available in the Cornfield Road branch. The Jamir Lane branch has very good collection of budget-friendly sarees within 5,000-6,000 range. Suits collection, blouses, all available. Also, the tailoring unit is available in both the branches. So, if you want the menswear, so menswear collection again in the Cornfield Road branch, jewelry and menswear collection. Another very pretty semi-crepe saree with zari woven border, very pretty. This is a black and red Ganga Jamuna border. See, the upper and lower part will have the border work. Very smart piece. Summer के लिए इस टाइप का flowy fabric with a checkered body. See, the body has a nice checkered weave. 6990 and comes with this blouse piece. Red blouse. हर एक साड़ी आपके लिए हम खोलेंगे, फुल डिस्प्ले होगा, क्लोजअप पूरा दिखाएंगे ताकि आप पूरा चेक करके बुकिंग कर सके। 7603042696। पेमेंट के बाद आप डिटेल्स भेज दीजिए, हमारा डिस्पैच टीम चेक करके 3 दिन में आपका डिस्पैच होगा। आपको 7 to 8 डेज में मिल जाना चाहिए। अगर एक्स्ट्रा सर्विसेज चाहिए जैसे कुछ और ब्लाउज स्टिचिंग, उसके लिए अलग टाइम आपको देना पड़ेगा। ब्लाउज स्टिचिंग दूसरा डिपार्टमेंट में होगा आफ्टर फुल पेमेंट, and 2 weeks time for blouse stitching. This is another Ganga Jamuna border in a checkered semi crepe with handwork bootas. Very smart. 6990 comes with this Katha blouse piece. इतना neat work है, very difficult to understand which is the front and the back. Very neat work and very attractive piece and very flowy. Means it has a very beautiful fall and very flowy fabric. Fresh colors, fresh designs for you on our 600th video, Sanskriti Kolkata. Color option of the one that I'm wearing. Multicolor border. This is a purple dominated border. Mine is a navy and rani. Buta border, 7500 number 16. Lovely pallu in paisley weave. The work closely for you. Here is the purple embroidered blouse piece. I love this combination, very smart piece. See the combination and the color is white. Not milk white, though it's a little off-white, but white dominated piece. 7500. The one that I'm wearing, here is the work, multicolored border, pallu, blouse piece, in navy, price 7500, and here is the earring for the neck piece that I'm wearing. Polki set, 4150 is the set, 4150 rupees. डबल लाइन है इसमें 4150। The another color combination is this black and white polka, very smart chic print. ना इसमें थोड़ा सा चेंज है, इसमें बॉडी में हम लोग पूरा ब्लॉक प्रिंट किया, जरी बॉर्डर वैसा है, और इसका ब्लाउज, जस्ट सी द ब्लाउज पीस, फुल हैंड वर्क ब्लाउज है। और पल्लू ब्लाउज, इट्स टोटली हैंड वर्क। Next is this navy. So many options I'm giving you, very nice unusual blocks, the prints, the fall, beautiful sari. This is 6500, all depending on the work and the border design, you know, the V fabric जैसे जैसे आया उसी हिसाब से हमने रेट रखा। 1000 रुपीज का फर्क आएगा वर्क और डिजाइन के ऊपर। जो जिसको स्लीक बॉर्डर चाहिए, जिसको हैवी ब्लाउज चाहिए, आप उसी हिसाब से ले सकते हैं ब्लाउज पीस। बट वेरी डिफरेंट प्रिटी वर्क, एंड वर्क बहुत खूबसूरत। और पल्लू भी नंबर 18। अब दूसरा आइटम में जा रहे हैं, जरी कोटा विथ हैंडवर्क, गोल्ड कलर कोटा है साड़ी, ये राजस्थानी कोटा जिसको बोलते हैं जरी कोटा, उसमें वर्क पूरा मोती और हैंडवर्क मीना का किया हुआ है। रेड पाइपिंग टू गिव इट अ नाइस फिनिश। सी द पल्लू बूटा, 4350 टोटल हैंडवर्क साड़ी। समर वेडिंग्स, मॉर्निंग्स, सोबर साड़ी है, गोल्ड, फुल गोल्ड, बॉर्डर भी गोल्ड और मीना बूटा। नाउ 2 टिश्यू साड़ी, टिश्यू ऑर्गेन्जास, सॉफ्ट साड़ी है, स्टिफ नहीं होगा। और इसमें एक सेल्फ प्रिंट है, इफ यू सी we've done a self print on this just to tone down the sheen of the sari, ज़्यादा शाइन को थोड़ा सा सटल करने के लिए एक सेल्फ प्रिंट हम लोग किया है। and the border is hand work again with kardana and hand ari. Full hand work color is a peach color and comes with this blouse piece. The blouse piece में भी heavy work है। अब देखिए साड़ी का लुक, गेटअप, फॉल देखिए, पता चलेगा क्वालिटी कैसा है। देख रहे कितना सुंदर फॉल आया है इसका, बस रैंडम प्लीट है फिर भी कितना सुंदर फॉल है। स्लीक नाइस नैरो बॉर्डर और बूटा, इसका एक पिंक शेड हमने बनाया, ये भी बहुत खूबसूरत शेड है। सी नाउ यू कैन सी द सेल्फ प्रिंट, बहुत प्यारा लगता है, एक सेल्फ प्रिंट देख रहे हैं, बॉडी में एक सेल्फ प्रिंट है, पिंक ऑन पिंक। ब्लाउज पीस एंड ये पिंक जो है ना, एकदम बेबी पिंक जिसको हम बोलते हैं, बेबी पिंक कलर। वर्क, जस्ट सी हाउ प्रिटी एंड नीट द वर्क इज। मोती है इसमें, सीक्वेंस है इसमें, कटदाना है, पूरा हाथ का काम है। This kind of tissue embroidery, it's everywhere, but Sanskriti stands out because of the different kind of pattern that we use in the sari, the motifs, the design, the concept of self printing to give it a different look, to give it a boutique touch. So all these makes us special. Look at this. This is a very, very different fabric also. Glass onyx fabric. This is not see-through. With again, very sleek, narrow highlighted border with pearl and mull. Mull matlab not the mull fabric. The material, one of the material that is used is a mull for the embroidery. Very pretty, and the color is a very, very light brown shade. Very smart, elegant piece. Comes with the blouse piece. The blouse piece will be running with the work, lot of work in the blouse piece. See the work in the blouse. Border sleek होने से क्या होगा, ब्लाउज का लुक देखिए। Totally Bollywood inspired साड़ी, जिसमें बॉर्डर स्लीक है और ब्लाउज हैवी है, and especially those who want a plain look sari with a rich blouse. Superb sari, superb, and again very soft. Next, I'll show you two khadi georgette with tissue weave. साड़ी में जरी का फुल वीविंग है, उसके ऊपर एक टिश्यू का बॉडी में वीविंग है, जरी का फाइन टिश्यू वीविंग, और जो बॉर्डर है वो वीविंग का बॉर्डर के ऊपर एक जरदोजी बॉर्डर है। 5200, दिस इज सेमी जॉर्जेट खड्डी, स्कैलप हैंडवर्क बॉर्डर, and a wine color blouse piece. ये blouse piece के लिए look totally different. Off-white gold color combination, number 23. और एक सॉफ्ट साड़ी हम दिखाएंगे, ये भी टिश्यू का ही वीविंग है। अब क्या हो रहा है ना, टिश्यू में इतना सारा वैरायटी आ चुका है, जहाँ पे टिश्यू यूज हो रहा है। टिश्यू मीन्स अ वेरी वेरी फाइन जरी का एक धागा होता है, जो ऑर्गेन्जा के साथ वीव हो सकता है, टसर के साथ वीव हो सकता है, ऑफ कोर्स क्रेप, खड्डी, बहुत सारा फैब्रिक के साथ ये वीविंग हो सकता है। उसी के ऊपर पे लुक और फॉल आता है कि वो सेकंड फैब्रिक क्या है। टिश्यू के साथ वो सेकंड जो यार्न जाता है उसके ऊपर रेंज वगैरह सब डिपेंड होता है। ऑफ कोर्स इफ द जरी इज टेस्टेड और इट इज अ रोलेक्स जरी, वो सब के ऊपर भी डिपेंड करता है डेफिनेटली द रेंज। दिस इज अ वेरी वेरी प्रिटी गोल्ड कलर, वेरी लाइट सटल बटरी गोल्ड विथ मीना वीविंग बूटा। आप जो ये फ्लावर्स देख रहे हैं ये एम्ब्रॉयडरी नहीं है, ये वीविंग का है। एम्ब्रॉयडरी जो है ये बॉर्डर का वर्क एम्ब्रॉयडरी है। बॉडी जो है ये पूरा पूरा वीविंग का है। रेड बॉर्डर लगाया, उसी हिसाब से मैचिंग करके एक वेरी वेरी स्टनिंग लुक रेड ब्लाउज पीस है इसमें। फुल वर्क ब्लाउज, Beautiful sari. Very traditional look, yet very smart. Sleek border, butta, gold and red. It's very gorgeous, very gorgeous. And ये जो work है बहुत सुंदर एक bright red के ऊपर है. उसी हिसाब से blouse piece दिया हुआ है. Now I'll show you a pure tussar with Ari Kashmiri. Sorry, this is not a pure one. This is semi tussar. Actually, the quality is so good. It just feels like we have the pure ones also. I've shown before the pure tussar Ari Kashmiri ones. उसी का एक सेमी हमने बनाया, सेमी आरी कश्मीरी. वर्क इज हैंड वर्क बट द बॉडी फैब्रिक इज सेमी and 9300 comes with the finishing in the back with patti total. The work is totally hand work. Fabric is a semi tussar, very pretty quality, very good. We do many work in this fabric. It's just a replica of tussar. The tussar ones are 19-20,000. These are 9300. The work is same as we do in the pure tussar ones. Handwork and without lambani, and that also in this special episode of 600 episode not possible. Back again with restocked new design, pure silk lambani, wine color with temple zari border. Pallu, big pallu. लंबानीज आई मीन क्या बताए कितना पीस हम लोग बेचे हैं लंबानी का, फिर भी और लंबानी ब्लाउज पीस. Green, we do lambani in a variety of fabrics. टसर में, सिल्क में, संबलपुरी में और बहुत सारा फैब्रिक में, और फ्यूजन ऑल्सो हम करते हैं कलमकारी के साथ लंबानी. सो एपिसोड देखते रहिए, एपिसोड चैनल सब्सक्राइब. इफ यू डोंट डू, विल नॉट गेट टू सी द गुड वंस. So it's not possible to show everything in one video because these are all handcrafted sarees. जैसे स्टॉक आता है, जैसे कारीगर हमको डिलीवरी देता है, और फिर हम then we give for polishing, finishing, complete, and then we do a video of all these lovely pieces. Next one is the royal blue one. Chhattisgarh handloom, raw silk with tissue embroidered lambani blouse. Just see the work here. It's not just the border, it's कितना सारा work है इसमें. Big pallu, we try to do as much, not that उसमें जरी है तो हमने वो छोड़ दिया, ऐसा नहीं. उसमें भी थोड़ा काम कर दिया और पल्ला पूरा ऊपर से दे दिया जो योक से आएगा. Now this is a tussar lambani, pure tussar lambani, black. देखा कितना बड़ा पल्लू है, कितना काम है इसमें. And here is the blouse piece. सिर्फ साड़ी में ही नहीं, ब्लाउज में भी बहुत काम हुआ है. देखिए कितना सुंदर वर्क है. बैक साइड दिखा दिया मैंने सीधा समझ के. अब जानबूझ के दिखाते हैं. थोड़ा इम्प्रूव हुआ ना हमारा हिंदी. आज मैंने मतलब टर्म थोड़ा कम यूज किया. Usually I continuously stumble and I say matlab, but today I didn't do much. That I don't think so. I did. I was very particular that I won't use the word matlab so many times. So very excited actually for our 600th video. Looking forward to your support. Do visit our stores. बहुत सारा collection मिलेगा. Our staffs are very helpful. They'll help you select your pieces. We have the men's collection where you can twine the couple sets. Video call options possible. This is number 30. Black again in Tassar Lambani. Blouse piece. And lastly, the ones which is hanging. Silk linen with gota patti, and ये linen का जो border है, I love this linen border. Border में there are 5 lines, 1, 2, 3 and 2 edges. Very neat, sleek, very beautiful border in zari. 2 colors hai. One is the peach color and one is the coral red. What a lovely sober piece with gota patti handwork with touch of moti. See the moti in between the gota work. Gota patti handwork with moti detailing. 6990 comes with this blouse piece. साड़ी का कलर बहुत सुंदर है. The second color option is this coral red. ये deep red नहीं है, maroon भी नहीं है. Blouse piece. एक brick type red है, बहुत सुंदर red है. Very unique shade of red. ये सब red ज़्यादा we don't get to see this kind of red. And again the same work and price 6990. 2 color options now available. So that's it for today. Thank you so much and watching for the video till the end. You watch the video and do subscribe. Don't forget that.